खल्को अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरे दो प्यारे प्यारे तोते देख लो। पापा खान bought me these two parrots. They're literally talking parrots. दोनों बातें करने वाले parrots हैं। अभी सिर्फ 3 महीने के हैं। इंशाल्लाह few months में ये बातें करेंगे। How दा पसूना वक्त की खबरी की लियाकत 6 months. Okay, so another 4 months and then they're gonna talk. I think they're gonna poo on my shoulder now. Let me say, name them like my cats. My cat name is Kobe and Gigi, and he said name them Kobe and Gigi. But I don't know. I asked my Instagram family. Let's see. I was thinking to name the boy name the boy Mika Siddiq's son, but then Papa said no. Give them some other names. So inshallah, let's see. And help me as well. You guys help me as well. इंशाल्लाह बहुत प्यारे हैं ना, बहुत ही प्यारे हैं। ये देखो, इसकी सुर्ख लिपस्टिक देखो कितनी प्यारी है। So he tried to speak like Iltaf as well, like a, broken English as well. Okay, we are here at McDonald's, and I'm going to like Mardan to a family. They're my best friend. They are more than best friend for me. They are like I can say they're my own sisters and mother. And the Babu is with his creator now, but they used to love me like their own daughter. So I'm really excited. I'm going over there today and tomorrow. I'm gonna stay with them. They're very strict family, so they might not allow me to record them, but I can record their feet and their house and everything for you. So we are at the McDonald's and I'm feeling home now. I feel like I'm in Cardiff. So yes, I'm eating McDonald's. And Papa tummy is upset. Why your tummy is upset? Because he eats gawawa and right in the morning. That's why his tummy is upset. I even stop him, but he don't listen to me. No, he'll pay for it. So for the Kana. Hi Falku. Assalamu alaikum. Who is here? This is Tamina. This is Tamina, and she got her own YouTube channel as well. So please subscribe, like, and follow her channel. Thank you so much. She's another Nafia for me. She look like Nafia. She's very similar age of Nafia.
Nafia is so beautiful.
Honestly, and she look after me like Nafia Sumaya Maliha. Actually, I'm so blessed to have her. And Ayla phone.
As always, busy mama.
Ayla Jan, look, who is with me?
Hi Ayla.
She's same age as Nano. And she's celebrating my birthday party.
Walaikum salam.
She's celebrating my birthday. Walaikum salam.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much, John. Thank you so much. Wait, okay? Let me fix the camera. Oh my God, this girl did so much for me, Nafi. So much. Oh my God. I'm only 1 year old, okay? So, oh my God. I want to cry, okay? Let's celebrate it. Bring all the children together. Come on. Come on, all of you. Okay, I'm gonna cut this cake. And this beautiful girl, I even don't know her. She only follow me on Instagram and YouTube. How amazing people in this world. Oh my God, I don't believe it. Let's do it, okay? Come on, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Shall I start? I have to hold her hand.
बस कर दे पास पकड़ से क्लैपिंग करके को
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. I'm gonna feed you. Hooray!
Happy birthday.
Wait, let me feed her first. Love you guys. Take. This is for Nafia. Wait. This is for Nafia.
I'm gonna feed her.
Now another one, okay? This is for Saad. Come on, take it. And this is for Sumaya. And this is for Ella. This is cheesecake, guys. It's amazing. It's amazing. Ella, come and take it. Ella for Zaman Jan, Zaman life. Love you guys. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Bye. I will. Bye. I feel so blessed to have her in my life. Alhamdulillah. And all of you, and all my Instagram family, and all my TikTok family, all of you are amazing. And that's why I'm on social media, just to gain more love from you guys. Thank you so much for every single person who messaged me for my birthday. Since the Hajj time is loads of messages, loads. So all my Instagram family who DM me, thank you so much. May Allah bless you. See you in a minute. So अभी फ्री हो गई हूँ. टास्क चली गई है. मेरे मुंह पे अंधेरा है, पर क्या करूँ. चलो, वैसे भी काली कलोटी हो गई हूँ. लेकिन मुझे काला रंग अच्छा लगता है. एनीवे, मुझे ज़्यादा गोरा अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो गेट फ्री फ्रॉम ताज ने एक बहुत अच्छा केक खाना खिलाया. और अब मैं जा रही हूँ अपने सेंटर में. वहाँ बच्चियों ने बुलाया है. मेरा छोटा सा केक काटेंगे वो लोग. वहाँ पे nearly 80 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. ऑर्फन विडोज़, नीडी चिल्ड्रन, वुमेन. सो वो मेरा बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. तो इंशाल्लाह उनके साथ भी अपनी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करूँगी. और फिर उसके बाद रात को हमारी कज़न हैं, उन्होंने इनवाइट किया है, वो भी मेरी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करें. मैं सुबह बहुत खफा थी बच्चों के पीछे, क्योंकि बच्चे तो पूरा वीक मेरा बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. और आज फर्स्ट बर्थडे है कि मैं अपने बच्चों के बगैर हूँ. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेस और उदास थी. पर चलो, अल्लाह ने रहम कर दिया. यहाँ मुझे मेरे बच्चों जैसी एक बेटी मिल गई, टाज, जिसका मैंने कहा है प्लीज़ उसका चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. मैं अपने बायो में उसका लिंक दे दूँगी. ज़रूर उनका चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें. बहुत अच्छी बच्ची है और बहुत ही नाइस लड़की है. और दूसरा, जो 80 लड़कियां हैं वो भी मेरी बेटियों जैसी हैं, मेरी बहनों जैसी हैं. वो भी वहाँ पे आते हैं. मैं उनके साथ भी सेलिब्रेट कर लूँगी. और इंशाल्लाह शाम को फैमिली छोटा सा है गैदरिंग, उनके साथ भी सेलिब्रेट करूँगी. तो हैप्पी बर्थडे हो गई है मेरी. Thank you, Zahi. And it's nearly 6 o'clock. They're still waiting for me. It's 5:30, is it?
Yes.
Still waiting for me. Thank you. And these all little children say, "Hey, oh look, everybody's waiting for me." Okay, so this is my class. Oh, बिल्कुल अंधेरा किया हुआ है. मैं इनके फेस नहीं दिखाऊंगी, लेकिन यहाँ Oh my God! मखूनम न खे मखैर दे मैं इनकी शक्लें नहीं दिखाती हूँ I'm not gonna show them their faces but they all my children I'm gonna only show you the feet मैं सिर्फ इनके पाँव दिखा रही हूँ ये देखो ये मेरे सब बच्चों के पाँव हैं ओए है राजे केक कट कुशावे Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Mama Everyone, this is my real family, my real daughters, inshallah, and they're gonna make me proud of them because they're all gonna become professional tailors and professional women, inshallah. And one day they're gonna stand on their feet, all 80 of them, inshallah. Kana, tool में professional ये? Yes. Yeah, please away. Inshallah. Tool में खड़े वैसे करते? Yes. Third birthday party is celebrating by our cousin here in Lokanta. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my God. So this is one of the cousin. Look, he arranged this for us. Oh, that's so beautiful. So cracker arrived. That's Lokanta's special soup. This is Parmesan chicken, special fish, and handi, and rogani naan, and a mango juice. I'm singing as well.
Many happy return of the days.
Thank you.
May you have many more. May you have many more. May you have many more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ma'am Sabiha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And now flowers and a bouquet. Ice cream.